So now let's talk about the sound. Is it any good? Is it smooth and buttery as the name suggests? So here is the keyboard. Its name is AttackShark X21 and I have installed the Gateron Smoothie on it already. So let's have a check. Well, as you can see, very consistent, very creamy in my opinion. And this switch is completely stock, so I am impressed that Gateron made a really good stock switches like this, and especially with the price with only 23 cents where I bought, and which means it's a really cheap price, very budget switches. So is it worth it to buy this guy in 2025? I have to say yes, completely worth it. And so thank you for watching.